When forming a company, you can choose between an LLC or limited liability company and an INC or corporation. An LLC is easier to form, requiring less paperwork and fewer formalities. It's designed for small businesses, offering the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. On the other hand, an ENC involves a more complex setup with more legal requirements and formalities. It's structured into shareholders, directors, and officers, making it suitable for larger businesses. Let's discuss taxation. LLCs have pass-through taxation, meaning the company's income is only taxed once at the individual level. Owners report profits and losses on their personal tax returns. INCs, however, are subject to double taxation. The corporation pays taxes on its income and shareholders pay tax on dividends. However, an INC can avoid double taxation by electing S corporation status, but this comes with additional requirements and restrictions. In terms of liability protection, both LLCs and INCs provide a shield between the owners and the business. This means owners are not personally responsible for business debts or lawsuits. However, corporations often have a stronger shield due to stricter formalities and regulations. For LLCs, this shield can be more easily pierced if the owners don't adequately separate their personal and business activities. Ownership and transferability differ significantly between LLCs and INCs. An LLC's ownership can be harder to transfer and may require the approval of all members. This can make it less attractive to investors. INCs, particularly C corporations, have easily transferable shares, making them more appealing to outside investors and allowing them to raise capital more easily. Regarding management and control, LLCs offer more flexibility. Members can manage the company directly or appoint managers. There are no requirements for meetings or record keeping. On the contrary, corporations have a fixed structure with a board of directors overseeing the big picture and officers handling day-to-day operations. They are required to hold regular meetings and maintain detailed records. Based on the evidence, there's no clear winner between LLCs and INCs. The best choice depends on your specific business needs. LLCs win for small businesses due to their simplicity, flexibility, and pass-through taxation. INCs win for larger businesses or those seeking outside investment thanks to their structured management, easily transferable ownership, and potential for growth. Thank you for watching this comparison between LLCs and INCs. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business-related content. We appreciate your support.